Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go over accessing the advising screen in Banner. What you're first going to want to do is open up what your selected browser is. If you're on a Mac, it can be Safari, that's what I use. It can be Firefox or Chrome. They all pretty much work after I've set the exception for you. Alright, what you're going to want to do is click in the address box and type banner.ulr.edu and hit enter. Alright, when this screen comes up, you're going to want to tell it to run, tell it to run again, and run a third time. Once you're to this screen, your Banner login is your UALR email address, but it's just the name part. So in my case, my Banner login is tlkessler, because my email address is tlkessler@ulr.edu. And then you'll want to enter your whatever your Banner password is, which you'll need to have set/updated in Boss, and you do that in the same place that you would change your email password. Once you're in Banner, everything in Banner uses a 7-digit letter code. So as you can see, as we click on some of the student things, like general student information would be SGA STDN. You're not going to have to worry about any of this, but this is just showing you kind of how this works. The screen that you're going to want to go to is SWAADVS, and then you're going to want to hit enter. Once you're at this screen, to lift an advising flag, you're going to want to enter the student's T number in this box. T. And then you're going to want to hit next block. And next block is this little button right here. It has an arrow facing down. And as you can see, once you hit that, it's going to pull up the student's record, their catalog term, what their major code is. This is a fake student that's used for training purposes in Banner, so there isn't going to actually be anything listed. To lift the actual flag, you want to double click in the to box where you see that 31st of December 2099, and you want to click today, and then tell it OK. And what you can see is that it changed that date from the 2099 date to January 21st, 2015. So once you're done with that, move your mouse up here to the little disc for save and hit save. Now the only thing about this, because this student is a training thing, is it doesn't actually show that a record was saved. But once you hit that save button, down here in the lower left-hand corner where I've got my mouse, you'll see a one item saved message. And that's it. Now if you're lifting flags for more than one student, once you're done with that and you've hit saved and you see your item saved, just go up here to this little arrow that's called rollback and click that. Well, I guess it doesn't want to work for this. Alright, so in theory, you should be able to click rollback, and it'll just take you back to the beginning of that screen again. And you enter the next T number, next block, double click on the date, and hit save. And you do that for as many students as you need to lift flags for. Now, when you're complete with Banner and you want to exit, you can just click this black X right here. And it'll ask you if you want to exit your banner session, and just tell it yes. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen.